Hi guys, first of all I want to apologize because this video is going to be like a shabby video. You're going to hear a lot of background noises. That is because of where I'm currently sitting right now, but please focus on my voice, okay? Now today I feel like talking about colors, because what is life without beautiful colors? I mean, what is life without there are over 1,000 colors out there for us to explore when it comes to interior decor and furnishing our apartment. And I feel like I need to speak today concerning this white color gel. Everybody wants to paint their house white, especially the internal walls. Your home is not a hospital. Free yourself from the gel of white. There are over 1,000,000 colors to explore, ranging from red, blue, green, yellow, gray, beige, off-white. If you really want to go for white, then it mustn't be the brilliant white. You can choose to go for the off-white. Now these colors I mentioned, the gray, the green, the blue, and the rest of it, they range from shade, like they have different shades ranging from the lighter shade to the light to the medium to the dark, deep, and the rest of it. So a particular color can go on to have about 15 to 20 shades depending on your choice. So you can even decide that you want to do an all gray apartment, exploring the different shades of gray. For example, you may decide to paint the exterior wall dark gray, something like this. I recommend this for your dark gray external walls. If you choose to use this for your external walls, then talking about the internal walls, you can decide to use this. So instead of going for an all white sitting room, you can choose this as a replacement for the white. So that is for someone who is going for an all gray apartment. Then in your bedroom, your bedroom is supposed to be cozy and all that. You can also use this, or you can decide to choose this one. This is also a shade of gray, right? Then for me personally, I love beige, and so instead of going for a pure white, you can choose to go for beige, and these are different shades of beige that you can explore. Like I said, please ignore the background noise. These are different shades of gray, that beige, that you can use for your sitting room, your dining area, your kitchen, and the rest of it. And this is a pro tip, right? For the internal walls, you could either choose satin or silk finish, while for the external walls you should go for matte or textured paint and not silk or satin. I mean, for external walls there are also different options you could explore. Yesterday I dropped a video concerning the different finishes you can use to achieve a luxury home in your apartment. So don't stick to just these regular finishes like satin, silk, matte, and textured paint. There are different finishes like stucco, epoxy, valentino, or something like that. Different options. You can check that out on my page. Check my YouTube page. I dropped the video yesterday. You can see the different options for you to choose from for your wall finishes. Now for my apartment, I went for this color. This is what I have on my walls, although I also have white, but I don't have an all white apartment, so I use this for my accent wall in my apartment. And talking about accent walls, there are several colors you can use to achieve that. And for those who don't know what an accent wall is that special wall in your apartment which you paint differently from other walls, to like create attention. Example, the TV panel area, your dining area, the lobby, and all that. So this color is a go-to option for your accent wall. You can use this for your accent wall. Some people even use this one for their accent wall. You can use this one as well. I hate this color, but I think if you beautifully design this color, maybe you do some artwork or you do some wall cladding and all that, you could actually get something nice from this color. There's also this color which you can use. I love this color. I love this color. This color is good for accent wall. Now talking about purple, there are different shades of purple that you can explore. These are the different shades of purple. Like I said earlier, colors range from light to medium to dark. So there are other options of purple. There are lighter shades of purple than this one. Hello. So there's a madam looking at me right now. I just wanted to say hello to her. And this is green. Like I said, this green is for your accent wall, but you can choose to use this one for your living area, your living room area, your dining area. This is a go-to choice for your bedroom. This is nice for your bedroom. Then I would suggest for people who you have high traffic areas like your kitchen, your lobby, and other areas like your bathroom, which they are always messy because of too much hands, too much leg movements, and water and all that. I would say that in your in your bathroom, it's not a bad option, it's not a bad choice, but don't quote me, it's not a bad choice for you to go for a darker color, you know, not necessarily bright colors in your bathroom. You can choose to go for a dark color, and I feel like in your bathroom you can try something different. You can go for this color in your bathroom and go for a silk finish, not for a matte or satin. Go for a silk or a high gloss finish, okay? Because high traffic areas like kitchen, dining areas, lobby requires like finishes that you could easily clean or wash, and this color is a go-to color, and use a high gloss or a silk finish to achieve that. Okay, so like I said earlier, there are over 1,000 colors to explore. These are just a few from my gallery, and I can't be bringing everything to show you, but I wish I had the time to show you the different shades of different colors. But guys, when you want to paint your homes or you want to repaint your walls, you can hit me up for a consultation or for advice. And if you have an interior decor handling your project, try to explore. There are different colors on the color wheel, the color chart. There are different colors. Explore and free yourself from the jail of white. White is gradually going extinct now. The game now is different colors. Explore, and I'll see you on the next one. This is just a small tip I thought to share with you guys today. Make sure to subscribe, share, and like this video, and don't forget to drop a comment below. I'll be reading.